What's up, gamers?
What's up,
We're
gamers?
together. Hey, shut.
Our dash thing. There we go.
We're back with another.
Okay.
I want to do the intro.
Hey, do the intro. I'm already on r/dankly. We're supposed to go.
Welcome back. All right, we're gonna be doing top 10 people who are cool beans in Fortnite Battle Royale. All right, number 1, you got your boy. You know, he gets pretty down and into it. He's Ninja.
Ninja, okay, Fortnite players. That's Ninja. See, this professional.
I think I'm literally dying. No, okay.
So am I. This guy, he's pretty. You know.
All right,
That's pretty garbo at the game.
We're not doing. Welcome back to WatchMojo.com. We're not actually doing freaking these. We're doing r/.
Boring.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, what do you think of
See,
this
this
photo?
is pretty funny.
Gamers rise up. Are we mad about politics in gaming? Game difficulty? We're gonna demand better and more secure working conditions for game developers.
I get it.
That wasn't very funny. I'm not gonna lie. What were we doing with this video? Oh, that's right.
What
Top
about-
10 people who entered the time at the wrong time. This is a fridge.
No, we're doing top 10 for fridge.
No, we're not, robot. I get the joke.
What is happening? This is all fridge.
Dude, you wanna see a good picture? You wanna see a good picture? You wanna see a good picture?
What? I'm waiting. That was the fridge. That was the exact refrigerator I was.
It's just a fridge. It's just, dude, you wanna see?
Right here, I found it on Google Images.
You wanna see something better? It's just a fridge.
It's not a fridge. I don't think that's a fridge.
That's
No,
it's an
It's a
ice.
really tiny fridge.
What do you call it? An ice box? It's not a fridge. It's an ice box. It's a
Bro,
fridge.
it's like the off-brand Xbox. Like, yo, Icebox, I'm trying to play some.
Dude, you want to see the inside of the
Oh,
fridge?
Like,
There's the inside of the fridge. Just don't pay attention to that it changed colors. It's the
Yeah.
it's the same fridge.
bro,
It's
what the hell? Are
same
those two
fridge.
bottles of ketchup?
I can't tell if they're soda bottles or ketchup. Oh, they're.
Bro,
Wait.
this guy just has pickles right there, and then
Dude,
he has
grape-
3 M&M yogurts right there.
Dude, you gotta have all the essentials. The grape jelly,
What
the
even
mayonnaise.
is this? What is this?
The grape,
What is
the grape jelly, the mayonnaise, and the cream cheese. And
Bro,
so
what is that green roll on the side of the fridge?
I don't know what is who drinks so much Perrier, man. You wanna see? I just took a picture of my fridge. Oh, your files are too powerful. My picture of a fridge is a bit too powerful. How about this?
This is a.
It's too powerful. I can't
This is
get
a
the picture
huge-
of the fridge.
Damn, this is a big fridge.
Send me the.
Look how big that fridge is. Humongous fridge.
You just said the skinny, dude. That's the skinny wedge. That's the skinny wedge into fridges. What is that thing?
Jesus
What?
Christ, I'm gonna lower my audio. What the hell?
Dude, what is that thing?
Pretty thick.
Look how full this fridge is. Dude, is he keeping baking powder in his fridge?
Is he keeping Oreos?
Dude, what
Right
the frick? Does it? Wait, dude, you see that little thing in the corner, like in the left corner? That looks like a sausage in a can or in a jar.
Where? Where?
Look, like right below the flour, you see a sausage in a jar.
What? Oh, that? Oh, what the
Dude.
hell is that?
Yo, you want to see an even skinnier fridge, though?
Damn, I can't. There's a. I like how there's just a big watermelon.
Bro, where
right
do the
there.
doors go into? Look, there's no room for the doors to like actually go into somewhere. What the
What
frick?
the hell? Look at the bottom one, bro. Like, how do you close them?
I don't even know.
Bro, how long have we been recording? I think we've been recording.
Dude, I don't even know.
5 minutes.
Look at this fridge.
Damn, that's not pretty luxury.
Dude, that's not a fridge though. It looks like a stove.
That's a stove for. That's a. I don't know. A frove.
Dude.
Boom.
Dude, that's
We're
not
so
okay.
on our. We're so original. It's funny.
Dude, this
Like,
is
who does top 10 fridges?
top 10. This is not a top 10.
I think this is like just fridge. I'm naming this video.
I
Fridge.
found this when I went looking for pictures of fridges. How does this happen?
What the hell?
Dude, that's a good fridge. You gotta put the food right in the nose.
What the hell? Damn.
Dude, this guy has an addiction. Look at all them soda cans or whatever they are. Man has
What
an
the?
man has. Why is the
thing
Coke
is-
green?
What the?
Why is the Coke
Why
green?
does he have so many? Why does he have a starfish right there? What?
He's got a star fruit in the fridge. This is a Hamilton Beach fridge. Dude, you
Oh, bro.
You wanna see what it you want to see what it looks like when a fridge is about to do comedy or do upstage comedy?
Damn.
Dude, that he's getting ready to crack the best jokes you've ever heard.
Yeah, we're so not over exaggerating on these fridges to make.
You want to see a
Nice.
better? I'm actually.
Why? I like look up fridge, and this is what I find.
Though this is the Tesla of fridges, bro. What the frick is that? Why is the world
I don't-
upside down?
I don't actually know. I
Dude,
just.
what if I look up dishwasher?
Probably gonna show a picture of women.
Dude, you know what? Oh, you know what came up when I looked up dishwasher?
What? A dishwasher next to a.
This came up when I looked up.
Well, this is what came up after when I searched up refrigerator.
Dude, if you look up the word,
I mean,
dude,
dishwasher.
that guy's like not even caring to clean it up. He's just like, dude, get the camera out. Get the camera out. I gotta be like, about my fridge. Oh, by the way, this is what Lotte looks like if you forgot.
Who's Lotte?
Mini race.
I forgot she existed.
Dude, why does she look like Allie when he sees a refrigerator? Imagine that's how Allie just lives everything he does in his life. He just walks
Oh
around
my
like,
god, guys! I just found a dishwasher. Bow, 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 bow.
exactly, be like, oh my goodness gracious, this is what happens when you play Fortnite Battle Royale.
This guy's just staring at her for it.
Dude, I just said that's what happens when you play Fortnite too much. I love how, like, obviously photoshopped I made it. Dang.
I know.
Alright, I think that's gonna be all the content for today.
Yeah,
outro out
got a little
time.
bit too.
Outro
Wait, we need to
out
make
time.
this at 10 minutes. We need to make this to 10 minutes.
We don't have monetization.
I don't care. We're making it to 10
We don't have
minutes.
monetization. Okay, bye.